What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the Right of You channel. It's your boy V, your host. Yeah, today I'm out here. Got the Surround right here. I want to change the handlebars. Replacing with the Warp9 Handlebars right here. Yeah. Got this Warp9 foot brace also. I'm gonna swap out the handlebars today. I'm gonna add that foot brace in. But yeah, let's get started. I'll probably install that peg first, just to get that out the way. And then I'll wrestle with getting this grip off. It spins, so it might come off a little easy. See if I could twist this off with this rag right quick. I'm trying to keep my calluses to a minimum. I know I said I must do the foot peg first, but whew, yeah. All right, so this, I'm gonna take this stuff all the way off. Yeah, there's another screw. Yes, there is. We'll just loosen all this stuff up because I could just slide it off. I could just slide it off the bars. Like it was froze on. This screw is kind of sticking a little. I'm gonna put these Warp9 handlebars on. They're about maybe 29-30 inches wide and a 3.5 inch rise, maybe. Thereabouts. And this now hungry. Word up, what we eating? I don't even eat cold cuts. Let me know what you decide. Maybe I won't. It'll. That Chinese shit, you know I won't. Red ass spare ribs and shit.
He was hungry, nigga. He already know he got everything.
Oh, CJ?
Yeah. He's coming down with confidence.
Get everything back nice and tight. I put this on.
Niggas glad they make this good. Niggas trying to get a pie, man.
These cables need to be stretched. Okay. We're looking like with the handlebar. Probably should bring them forward a little.
Spanishville?
Forward a little, but we're gonna leave them like that for now.
Yeah.
Ended up loosening this to move it so I could get the brace. So I could hopefully get this brace, and I gotta loosen it up a little more. So now I'm gonna tighten this back in so it'll go back in. I hope I don't have to take it out to get the screw in there. To get this to fit in there properly, I have to loosen this peg up. Now I can get this bolt in there flush. Well, this side might be a little more. There you have it. Got the brace in, handlebars in. Should have had the Warp9 facing out. Put the handlebars in. Might rise these up a little bit. Okay, lunch break. Lunch break, Papa John's, unhealthy. This shit right here genetically modifies you. Alright, y'all. As soon as just got finished installing these handlebars. I haven't had a chance to take it for a ride yet, but let's see. But as soon as I got on the bike, I noticed a major difference. These things is wide. I thought my bars was wide. My bars is like 29 inches wide. I thought those bars was wide, but these are wider. Significantly wider. These are like a little bit over 31 inches. Like 31 and an eighth or something like that. Got this thing in sports and eco. I usually like riding in sports mode. I'm complaining about it kind of being a little hesitant, so I'm trying to feel that also. But yeah, these handlebars, oh my goodness, they are super wide. Yeah, like I said, they're like 31 inches wide. And These are probably the widest handlebars I ever used or whatever. I don't think I ever ridden a bike with wider handlebars or 31-inch wide handlebars. I thought the ones on the Talaria was wide, but my goodness. I feel like I have so much control over the bike, oh my goodness. I gotta get used to these. Yo, this breeze on the bike feels so good, oh my goodness. Yeah, this. I was about to say hand sway bar. These are Warp9 handlebars. I think you got them from the Warp9 website. But and Bikes has them as well. I want to get a pair, but these things are, it says about 770 millimeters on both sides. But these things are about 780, 790 or something like that. It looks overcast like it's about to pour. It'll be a nice jump right there. This thing handled the trail so nice. Ooh. Oh man, these handlebars, the turning is nice. These will be nice on the Talaria with that bigger front wheel on there. This thing is junk. And it's in eco mode too. I see why he rides this thing in eco mode. You gotta be careful on this throttle. You know, with the 3-inch rise, of course, I'm gonna sit up a little higher and everything. Or sit upright. Not higher, but sit more upright. And arms are pretty long, so they get to spread out. But yeah, I gotta ask Timmy how, when he rides the bike, how he feels about them. Get his take on them. Boy, these things are nice and wide. So, what do you think about the handlebars? The Warp9s you just installed.
I think they're pretty decent, man. I mean, got a nice rise to it. I don't have to bend over too much to hurt my back. It's a better ride to me, you know? Okay. I think you should have kept with those bars. Not explain it, but it seems like it makes the bike feel lighter. You do feel a difference, though. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I feel like a lot of control. I wonder if, did I ride with that in the trails? I did, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, see, that's what it was. I didn't get to go through stock and tail.
Nah, we didn't do that. Yeah, you got more real estate on the west too.
So I feel like because of that, I can handle the bike better too. I like them, yo. I really do. I ain't gonna lie, I like them.
So maybe they would have came up with new rules for bikes. But yeah, oh my goodness. Now I'm thinking about, think about getting wider bars for the Talaria. But the only thing y'all be thinking about is when I'm filtering through traffic and I'm going through those tight spots. I gotta adjust. I gotta learn how to swing these through, swing them through. I wonder if we can get past over here. Oh wow. I can't believe they finished this up already. Yeah, so if you're thinking about getting these, I know most people that has a Surround, they probably did it, but for the newcomers, like myself, the ones late to the party, if you're thinking about it, think no more, just go ahead and throw it. It's worthwhile Upgrade investment. You'd be glad you did it. But this would just make the bike pop more. It gives it a better ride and everything. Better handling. But you know, you're sitting up as opposed to crunched over. Look at that Civic, sitting kind of pretty. The paint job is good. Got a nice stance and everything. Let me see the speed. I gotta lean over.